In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a donations app to your Wix website, customize the form, set the payment options, and finally publish it to start accepting donations seamlessly. This process is a fantastic way to enhance your site's functionality, especially if you're looking to gather support for a cause or a project. By following these steps, you'll create a professional and efficient donations platform, enabling visitors to contribute directly through your site. Let's begin by adding the Wix Donations app to your website. Head over to the Wix App Market, which you can find easily on your dashboard. Once you're there, search for the Wix Donations app, click on it, and then simply hit the Add to Site button. This action will prompt the app to install directly on your site, making it ready for integration. It only takes a few moments, and once completed, you'll find the app within your site's editor, ready to be customized to meet your specific needs. Now let's move on to customizing the donation form to align with your goals and aesthetic preferences. Within the app settings, you'll see different fields and design elements that you can tweak. It's important to ensure all required information is included on the form, such as the donor's name, email, and the donation amount for a smooth and efficient transaction process. Choose design elements like colors and fonts that match the overall look and feel of your site. Remember, a cohesive design creates a more trustworthy and inviting experience for your donors. Personalize the thank you message that appears after a donation is made, making it as warm and grateful as possible. A well-designed form not only reflects your brand, but also encourages more people to contribute. Once your form looks great and has all the fields you need, it's time to set up the payment options. Navigate to the payments section within your Donations app dashboard. Here, you can configure your preferred payment provider, ensuring you can accept donations smoothly and securely. Wix supports several payment gateways, including PayPal and Stripe, so select the one that best suits your needs. It's crucial to test these options to verify they're working correctly before going live. By ensuring seamless payment options, you address donor concerns regarding security and efficiency, which can significantly enhance your donation success rate. Now, with everything set, the final step is to publish your site. This step is as straightforward as clicking the Publish button in the top right corner of the Wix editor. Doing so will update your live site with the new donations feature, allowing you to start collecting contributions immediately. Be sure to promote this new addition to your followers or network to help spread the word and maximize your potential fundraising success. There you have it. By adding the Wix Donations app, customizing your form, setting your payment options, and